Okay, I wanted to show you the secret to cleaning screens. All it is you take a damp, like microfiber or like tight knit cloth, and you're just going to wipe up and down on this dirty screen. As you can see, it's gross. We have a bunch of cottonwoods around our house, so I'll show you just how easy it is. And you just brush, almost like you're washing a table. See? It's dirty. Then what I do is I flip it over, because I've pushed stuff through, and I wipe it down on this side with hopefully a cleaner part of my cloth. And then I repeat it on the back again. This seriously is the fastest, most effective way that I've learned to clean screens. If you have a lot of screens, like we have 50 windows in our house, this is something that you have to do every once in a while, depending on what your tolerance is for cleaning or not cleaning. I'll do another one here. So again, just get some water. On your cloth. Take this, open it up. Again, very dirty screen. Wipe it down. Boom. Much cleaner screen. Without having to really take them anywhere, to the bathroom, stuff like that. You're just cleaning them almost like a sponge bath. And that works really well. That's the secret to cleaning screens. Thanks for tuning in, folks.